time. Federation of Red Cross Muslim Organisation is the mosque system. We were the ones that organised today's event. Yeah, so that is the mosque. And in terms of Ukraine, I mentioned it already. People, yeah, that's fine. I've said it already. The double standard of Ukraine, putting the Ukrainian flag on the town hall. Why not put the Palestinian flag on the town hall? We'd love it. But going back to what I was saying, look, we could. Yes, that is computers. We have okay guys, calm down. People shouting, I can't. Let's close the event. All I'm saying is, I've said it all the way throughout today. I've said it all the way throughout today.
Stop bombing Gaza! 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 Palestine! 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 Palestine will be free! Palestine will be free! Palestine will be free!